Hi, this is Spike from Spike's Prospecting. Check out the Double Deuce Sluice.
Okay, we're going to start a video here in just a second. Justin's going to start shoveling in this box. And when I tell him to, whenever he gets ready, I'm going to look at the clock. We're going to do 1 minute, see how many shovels go through this box in a minute, guys. So I got the camera on him to prove what's going on. He's got his shovel ready to go. And how about you got 7 seconds? You ready to go? And don't overload it. Make sure it can run, okay? Ready, go. 30 seconds on my clock. So we're going to go to 1.5 minutes and see what goes through. There's one. Two. That'll be the third one. You're up to 4. Just a little over 30 seconds in. 5. 6. Wow. 7. That's 6 seconds. Look at that. 8 shovelfuls right on. There's time right there. 1 minute 30. That's a minute. You got 8 shovels in a minute. Now, I have to say, that's pretty good production. You never put your hand in that box and moved the rock the whole time. Look at the tailing pile working down here, guys. That's what we got for our tailing pile starting on this sluice. So, like I say, we just threw dirt at it. See what happens. We test everything that we can wear it out testing, to be honest with you. Got a lot of black sand in it? Well, that's good. We'll find out what's in the bottom tray, too. It's going to probably be loaded. Anyway. Let y'all guys go. We're going to shovel some more. We found out what we wanted. 8 shovels in a minute. It's pretty darn fast. Ain't many people's high baker take 8 shovels in a minute. And we ain't burned a drop of gas, guys. Not burning a drop. Until except to get here. Later on. Okay, guys. We just finished doing a run on the Double Deuce Sluice here. And I want to take it in and show you a little bit of what's going on here. You look down in that spike stripe, there's some big old black sand in there. And you look down in this one, there's a couple of rocks and stuff stuck in it right now. But if you look in the hexes, about right there, that's a piece of gold. And lots of little black sand all down through this box. You see it piled up in these ridges here and stuff. So we're going to see what's in here and open her up the rest of the way. We got the screen pulled off. We're fixing to clean the trays up on it. So let me pull back out of the way and let you get moving. Okay, what we do is we just take it to the tub and turn it up in the tub and wash it out with the water. So I'm going to turn it off and help Justin out. Well, Justin, let's look around in this bottom tray a minute, see what's happening over here. We got a lot of heavies, that's for sure. Is that a piece of gold? No, I don't think so. But yeah, we got spike strikes right there, holding material. We got, look at the pile of black sand right here. Look at this. Look how thick that is. And then all the way down the box here, it's just rolling black sand. And you can see what the action of the box was doing. It was rolling that material back. There's a piece of mica right on the end right there. Like a big old piece of fool's gold for some fool to pick up. Yeah, we're looking good. We're going to pull it out and clean this tray next, guys. See what we get out of this thing. Okay, Justin's panning down our first batch of the stuff off this machine. And there's 2 trays. He done both trays and got them. And see if we get here a little bit and get you a picture of this gold. The light's not real good on us. But y'all see the size of those pieces right there. There's a whole bunch of them little ones right there. Now, we've done probably about 12 minutes probably of shoveling. 1 minute of it was 8 shovels, as a matter of fact. Y'all seen the timing on that, but we pulled out a lot of gold, guys, in that little 8 minutes, or 12, 15 minutes there. So, and it wasn't that bad of work. We didn't have to do any concentrating it down or classifying. So, anyway, I'll let y'all go. That's where we got on that after we done the cleanup. And